Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip along US Highway 39, headed south into Plaquemines Parish, in the community of Braithwaite. As soon as we cross the parish line, we see the Carnarvon Sector Flood Control Gate running across the highway. This connects to the Mississippi River levee to our right, and then on the left runs along the outside of the populated areas in the communities of Poydras, St. Bernard, and Toka. Then turns north to cross LA 300 and LA 46 seen in our previous videos. While the Mississippi River has levees all the way to near the mouth of the river, these flood walls protect New Orleans and the suburbs from storm surge coming in from the back end, where there isn't much between where we are and the Gulf of Mexico. On the right is Louisiana Highway 3137 that follows the Mississippi River through the river bend known as English Turn. The current LA 39 that we're traveling on appeared on maps around 1965, and previously LA 39 followed the path of what is now LA 3137. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Here we meet back up with LA 3137 at the Mississippi River in the community of Scarsdale. Directly in front of us is the Belle Chasse-Scarsdale Ferry, which connects to the east bank and west bank of Upper Plaquemines Parish. This is the most downriver crossing of the Mississippi River that carries trucks and buses. Opened in 1959, the ferry didn't charge a toll until 2003 when they began charging $1 per car and additional fees for vehicles with more than 2 axles. As of 2003, approximately 700 vehicles crossed the river on this ferry daily. Now we're on the sparsely populated River Road with the levee on our right and the occasional home on the left. Most buildings you'll see will be high up on pilings to protect the homes and contents from rising floodwaters during tropical systems. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.